my goodness. It's our boat.
Got a boat! Oh my God! Chilling currently in the middle of Lake Como. We have rented our own boat. No captain. We are the captains. Here's the view of the lake.
You gotta smile, David.
Isn't it pretty? Cheese. We'll see y'all when we drive around the lake. Bye. I hired Alex to drive me around to my yacht. That's my new house. Lake Como, about to have food.
Away.
Left, forward. Left, a left, a right, left, right in front of you, right in front of you. Come on, get back.
We're racing that guy! I believe I can fly. Take us to George Clooney's house, please. George! Mr. Clooney! On this episode of The Amazing Race, will we make it to the train on time? Alright, we're racing to catch a train back to Milan. Update on if we make it. Station buying tickets.
We're not on a train yet.
Not on the train yet. Hopefully we get on it. The train is on its way and we made it. Thanks for watching The Amazing Race. Our train is here and we are going to win The Amazing Race.
There's music here for the video.
Fly me to the moon. That's what was playing before we started recording. Buongiorno. Out of Louis Vuitton and Versace, we don't belong there.
I'm gonna buy a Ferrari.
We don't belong there either, but where we do belong is right there behind us at McDonald's.
You gotta go deep.
Gotta go deep.
Way on back.
Way on back.
Across a few creeks.
Cross a few creeks.
And a couple little shacks.
Couple of little shacks. Gucci.
I'll show you what I got later.